Beverly, Aubrey, Princess, and most of you. Or maybe you can see a talented person in front of you right now. Ah, okay. So you already know that I don't own so many properties like most of you. And of course, obviously, I'm not the head of you in beauty and silliness. But may I ask you something? Yes, of course. Do you have someone that you really care about?
Yes.
Or you're always the one who is being cared of?
Yes.
Oh my God, so ridiculous. Your life may be happy, but nearly without your family. So selfish creature. You know, guys, I have my mom, and I know that you also have one. But wait, as I remember, I have a loving, caring, disciplinary, considerate, gentle, generous, strong, wonderful, and beautiful man. Do you still have one?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, you have. Okay, but as I remember, I also have my dad. But unfortunately, he is not here with us because he has to work overseas to feed us and to provide all of our needs. And I know that most of you also experience the same. But the big difference is that, my father is so, no, he's not a pastor. My father is working abroad. But, even there are thousands of miles between us, there is a strong relationship. And we're really attached to each other. You know that feeling is so overwhelming. Plus, of course, I also have my beautiful and wonderful little sister. I have my sympathetic aunties and uncles. And of course, I have my considerate and affectionate cousins. And my superb Lola and Lola. When I reminisce our bonding and fellowship together, it's so overwhelming and flattering. And, guys, we're really so blessed to have each other. But family is the basic unit of the society, and everyone knows that. The values of everyone started in our home. More than anything else, I want you to remember that your family loves you of who you were in the past and who you will be in the future. Your family loves you unconditionally, and so do I. Because the kind of love that I have received and continuously receiving from my loved ones is the same kind of love that I can give to you. I can also brag about my medals, certificates, awards, but I won't. I can also brag that I can sing, but I chose not to. Because having my family is not just enough for me. It's too much. Just like what Vin Diesel said in one of his movies. You never turn back from your family, even with it. Thank you.